Hello everybody, it's time to make some cocktail now. First thing first, let's have a look at the machine. Here you can find our Gig Pro 15. This is the most sold machine. As you can see, it's very nice and compact. Basically can fit on any counter. Here is a sample of the connection, so basically you can connect directly the bottles to the machine, or you can connect with this adapter the bagging boxes. This is the interface, so how to use the machine. You have a list of the favorite cocktail, the one that you do the most, or you can choose from a full list. Pre-installed is about 80 different cocktails. Now let's see how it works. So in this case you are trying to make a cosmopolitan. So you just click on the picture, you have the instruction. So basically the first step, what you need to do the cocktail. So basically what kind of glass and the ice. So in this case we already have a tumbler filled with ice. We just press on the button. And as you can see, in a matter of seconds, all the ingredients are poured at the same time. So the cocktail is basically done. All you need is some garnishment and the cocktail will be ready. Let's try another example. Kind of tricky one, mojito, because there are several recipes. But basically, what we've done is to place inside a bagging box, a 3 liters one, all the premixes that contain already the Yerba Buena mint, that is the Cuban mint specifically for the mojito. We have some lime and lemon, roughly 60-40%, to be very well balanced. We have a super fine sugar liquid, all the watering. Everything is ready to be mixed. So again, we can see from the tablet that we should include some ice. So we fill our glass with the ice. We pour the base. So basically all we need is some garnishment. You can put some fresh meat, mainly for the smell. We just add some soda, top up, and that's it. Done. In some cases, you need to make some more fancy cocktails. So we try, for instance, the daiquiri. In this case, we need a shaker. So following the on-screen instruction, shaker with ice, we put it down. Meanwhile, we can prepare the glass. Some shake. Boom, done. As you can see, in the premix we already have all the ingredients, and basically you see the pattern, you see the foam on top. So very good one.